Greetings everyone, I am Manish. I have been teaching languages for many years. Now I have started my online channel, and in this channel I am going to teach the language C. The very first question arises in the language C is, what is C? C is a procedure oriented programming language. Now in this definition there are two keywords. One is programming language and the other one is procedure oriented. Programming language means it is a language, like as the name suggests, it is a language. Now, programming language means a such language in which you can create your own programs, right? As every language has its own grammar, we are going to learn what is C has. C's own grammar we are going to learn in these videos. And then procedure oriented. Procedure oriented means C is such language in which we need to focus on the procedure, right? The programs are divided into small parts, and that for each small part we create a procedure in it, right? So procedure means a kind of function we create for a small problem, and during that we can pass the information from procedure to procedure, right? That will come in the further videos, and then you will be able to understand it better. Now, how have we reached up to this level? That is, initially we started with 0 and 1. Initially when we started creating computers, then we made one language for the computer, that was 0 and 1, binary language or machine language. Now the problem was with this language, until date our computers understand 0 and 1 only. So everything is converted ultimately into 0 and 1s so that your computer can understand. And there are multiple level of programs that works behind it to put it on the screen so that humans can also read it. Now initially when we started making computers with 0 and 1s, the problem was that everything has to be converted into 0 and 1s manually, and then your machine will give you answer into 0 and 1s, and that 0-1 answer has to be converted manually into human readable form, right? To overcome this problem, assembler was created. Now the assembler, it was very easy to code in the assembler because manually we need not to convert everything into 0 and 1s. There were some tags, there were some proper commands with it which works to convert your numbers into 0 and 1s and then answer into human readable form. But the problem with this was that it was machine dependent. That means the programs that are made into assembler will work on that particular machine only. To overcome this problem, we created compilers. So initially compilers were procedure oriented, in which languages like C and Pascal were there. Now coding into compilers were very easy, and it was not machine dependent also. So a program made in one machine or one computer can be used for any other computer also, right? But here the problem was, as it was procedure oriented, the complex programs and lengthy programs, the bigger programs, were very difficult to handle. To overcome that problem, we created object oriented, in which languages like C++ or Java were there. Now object oriented languages have simplified our programming language. After that we created the languages which are hybrid languages nowadays, which are in use, right? In which with a single compiler you can have many other in one compiler you can have other languages also included into that, right? In my videos I'm going to focus on the language C. Hope till here you have understood everything, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel, and share it with your friends. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.